Nĩngatho cia mwanya mwĩrori wa kiheotv kũnyitana ithuĩ mĩaraho ĩno ya tarĩki 25 mwĩhoko wakwa ũgĩthiĩte na mbere na kwagĩrĩrwo nĩ mathaa maya ma mĩaraho ngĩkũnyita ũgeni njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru nake mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Wambui wa Gaku na tukirika mohoro-inĩ maitũ nĩ atĩ wakiri Brian Kaemba nĩ akũmithĩtie ũteti wa Ngahiha ũũ nĩ kumana na Ngahiha iria ireyumĩria mwena wa Homa Bay kũrĩa andũ marakuire na angĩ maragĩtigwo na nguraro njũru. Augĩte Ngahiha iria ireyumĩririe hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa Linda Mwananchi nĩ ũndũ ũrabangĩtwo akĩonekana gũkuithia mũrigo ũyũ ateti amwe a kũrĩa Homa Bay gũkorwo marĩhĩte ikundi cia nyanake.
Issue of insecurity and goonism in our country. We all saw what happened when the Linda Mwananchi team went to Homa Bay. Personally, I went there. I was up to Simbu. But the orchestrators of goons and violence, they must be brought to book because they are known. Everybody has a right to campaign in each and every part of the country. That's what the constitution that was paid for by the blood of our forefathers provides for. So the leadership of the county government of Homa Bay, we have called you out. That was heinous. And the National Integration Commission, the DCI, you must be seen to be acting. It's the responsibility of every government to protect the life and property of every Kenyan. And we're not going to fear. We must call it, if it is black, it is black. If it is white, it is white. The government has failed to protect, especially the opposition leaders when they are going to campaign across the country. And this must come to an end. I have heard the IG, I've heard the Minister for Interior saying that there will be no goons will be allowed in any political activity. We want them to walk the talk from today.
Tugethina mbere nĩ atĩ ũtuĩria Baraginyo nĩ wambĩkĩtwo nĩ maabitha a borithi kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu thutha wa mwĩrĩ wa mũndũrũme wa ũkũrũ wa gatagatĩ-inĩ kuonekana rori-inĩ ya kũngania gĩko. Kũratuĩka rĩa mũthia mũndũrũme ũyũ onekire mũthenya wa Kiumia akiuga atĩ arĩ na thĩna wa nda na mũnini wa commissioner wa Kiambu nĩwe Caleb Nyongesa nĩ ekĩrĩte mũkonde ndeto ĩno o rĩrĩ mwĩrĩ wa mũndũrũme ũyũ woetwo na gũtwarwo nyũmba-inĩ ya kũiga mĩĩrĩ ya thibitarĩ ya wa Kiambu level 5.
Fanya mkutano na chairman wa lorries wa area hii na tukamueleza kuwa watu wa malori wafanye ile tunaita self regulation, kwa sababu ukiwa na we ni dereva wa lori au mwenyewe unaweza kutambua wale ambao ni crew members. Kwa hivyo tumerealize kwamba kuna so many idleness katika area hii, na ndio tukasema katika area hii kama wewe hujulikani unafanya kazi gani, sababu hapa kuna watu wa kuru, kuna watu wa sokoni na kuna watu wanafanya kwa vilabu ambazo ziko hapa. Kwa hiyo tumesema if you cannot identify what you are doing here, na kuna wengine hata hawana identification documents. Tumesema hao watu watafute area ingine ama watafute kazi ya kufanya. Na pia watu ya malori tumeweza kuweka mpangilio. Hii malori ilikuwa inakaa kwa mpangilio, ilikuwa inakaa kila mahali hapo. Kwa hivyo tukawaeleza hii malori lazima iwe na mpangilio. Like this incident yenye tumefanya hapo, huyu mtu hajulikani hata jina yake ni nani, and he has been here for the last 5 years. So that is the order that we are trying to create at this place. Tuweze kujua barabara hii ilitengenezwa ku decongest the CBD. But now as it is turning out that hiyo decongestion, the objective has not been achieved. Kwa hivyo tutakaa na hao. In fact hiyo mkutano tumepanga kesho. We worked here with the multi agency kama vile admin amesema, na pia kesho tumepanga mkutano ya kukutana na hawa watu ili those who need to invest, they are given a time and a chance and an ample environment to invest. Na wale wenye wanakuja kufanya kazi wajulikane wanafanya kazi gani.
Job Ritave ya Misi. Mimi ndiye ward administrator wa hapa Kiambu Township. Ni huzuni kupata kwamba tunapoteza maisha, na tunapopoteza maisha na unaulizia kama yule ambaye ametuaga anajulikana area hii, inaonekana ni kama tatishi. Watu hawamuelewi, hawamjui, hata wajui background yake ya maradhi, na jinsi alivyofika ndani ya hiyo lori bado ni tatanishi. Hakuna mtu anatupea ripoti kamili, but ukweli ni kwamba tumepoteza maisha. Udadisi zaidi utatokea baada ya
nayo family mwena wa Narok ya ithiro baratara hathara na ni thutha wa gukora mahiu mao kana mburi makiria ma 10 iretwo ni hiti undu uyu matigite matari na wiki kona makoretwo makirigira kurithia mburi ici niguo ona mahote kuona gya kuria na kurira ciana cia obithi. Riu ni makiorite thirikari na ruhonge rwa KWS gumethera kihonia gya gutura.
Niliamka asubuhi nikastukia kondo zangu wameenda nini, wameuliwa wote na adui. Sasa sijui penye nitafanya, sijui, nasikia tu uchungu. Hata saa hii tulikuwa hizi vitu walikuwa tunasaidia. Sasa naomba mtusaidie.
Tumeshangaa kondoo yote imelala chini, na ile kitu nasaidia hawa ni hii kondoo, hakuna kitu kingine. Watoto iko shule, watoto karibu 4. Sasa yeye alikuwa naona hii kondoo anasaidia yeye mpaka watoto asimalize shule. Sasa hakuna kitu kingine. Sasa tunaomba wewe Tangan, angalia hii watu wangu hapa, sababu hakuna kitu kingine. Sasa saa hii iko njaa, iko nini, hakuna unga, hakuna saidia sisi. Sasa tutafanya nini?
Katika asubuhi ya kuamkia leo tulipata msikitiko kwa sababu kuna mnyama ambao tunahofia, hatujui kama ni fisi ama ni simba ama ni chui. Hiyo mnyama ilikuja ikavamia boma ya mzee mmoja katika kijiji hili ambayo ilileta hasara mingi ama hasara kubwa sana. So tunaomba KWS, Kenya Wildlife Service, Kenya waweze kuingilia kati, wakuje wapate kufuatilia ni mnyama gani ilikuja ikaleta madhara haya. Tena katika Ministry of Wildlife tunaomba wawe makini sana, maana hii haikuwa ya kwanza. Kuna kama wiki 2-3 hivi hiyo mnyama bado ilikuja ikavamia kondoo zingine pale Mogoiwet, ambayo ilileta hasara, bado iliua kondoo kama zaidi ya 5, na leo pia amekuja ameua kondoo zaidi ya 10. So tunaomba serikali na idara kwa jumla waweze kuingilia kati, pia sisi afya ya raia iweze kuwa mzuri, sababu sasa tembea usiku na upatane naye njiani. So once ukipatana na yeye njiani inaweza ua mtu. So tunaomba serikali wakuje waingilie kati na wawe na lasting solution.
Na tugithi na mbere ni ati muhuraniri wa gituro kia bunge gicigo-ini kia bunge gia Kimilili augite agenda yake ona ashwo ni kunyitirira arutani a junior secondary na gwikira mathomo aritio hia mucemanio na arutani a junior secondary magana mana ati ya githomo ikumbitwo ni mathina maingi na uyu ni undu agakorwo akingethanira naguo eranire gutwara ndereti bunge-ini igimaine na kurumbuya arutani ha maruma.
The challenges they face, so that as I prepare, God willing, to assume the office of Member of National Assembly, representing people of Kimilili, I know my end point. I know the in-trade is already full in terms of our teachers. So I have other occasion, and the challenges that teachers are facing are huge, and most requires legislation. And I want to undertake, and I want to make a commitment that once I take over that position, I will address the challenges that the JSC teachers are facing. Issues to do with their autonomy, their welfare, career progression, their unjustified taxation in terms of affordable housing. Those issues must be addressed on the floor of the House.
Tigatho riote gatwekanya uko tugikiria oro hanini tugicokereria na ripoti ingi ari hamwe na cigimaine na thuguri ya kahua kuria Migori.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moka magukua indo ciaku kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu tanje tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials reservoir cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control iria cia kuhinya fingerprint ugito intruder alarm system na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya karimo guo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kungangana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno kaciao ciko Nairobi macamaniro-ini ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Duka wengi yao area kou Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Duka wengi haria Gaborone Plaza ground floor G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani haria Max Plaza kungethanira na Kasarani police station. Ona kana no macarie na thimo 0793 494949 kana 0739494494 kana 07935959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
wagacoke nĩ tũrathane na wandatha ndigũthĩnjĩra
nĩ ndukũ inya cia tabarĩra yaku ĩrĩa wendete ya gwĩceka tũciongereire mwago nĩguo we na kũmboeka mũikare mũraihanĩrĩirie hashtag inya cia gũkwagĩrithĩria mĩthenya yaku Monday nĩ hashtag
weekend vibe
muthenya wa kerĩ nĩ gũtaũkwo na kũmenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa
tumenye msanii.
Hello, mutugatĩri.
Itago Bishop Sami K.
Zero Thiga. Twari na Joy Janet.
Naguo mũthenya wa Wednesday nĩ hashtag
ndokia mwanya oya tia.
Twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ, ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũĩ ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo.
Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika. Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
Ramithi nĩ matene.
Hashtag matene yani.
Matu. Maũndũ marĩa mahanĩkaga tene na marathiĩ mariganĩire tũgĩkũririkania nĩguo ndũkariganĩrwo nĩmo.
Tikaguiga bita nĩkĩ waria gĩtũitwa nyoni taika nyone
nĩ gwĩceka tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩgũkinyagĩra o mũthenya kwambĩrĩria thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa Kiheo TV ũgĩterevwo nĩ waku ũtagũtiga kada iheo kĩhĩri MC Kĩhenji wa Gĩtawa. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na Smart Driving License. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici-inĩ citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira ũmemerekia mũthuranĩre o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twarĩkia gũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ ithenya-inĩ rĩa gũtigĩrĩra arutwo nĩ makorwo makinyita itemi harĩ ũramati wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie. Rĩu mũbango wa kũhũra mbica mĩmera na nyamũ cia gĩthaka nĩ ũrugũrĩtio thukuru-inĩ wa Mekaela Diani. Arutwo 30 nĩ magĩrĩire na kanya ga kũhũra mbica kũndũ na kũrĩa kũragucĩrĩria maitho nĩguo gũkinyia ndũmĩrĩri.
Saying use the camera to show us what you find beautiful, interesting or lovely in nature. And they get really excited about it, both because most of them have never held a camera before. They've held phones, but it's not the same. Secondly, no one's ever asked them to go and show us what they find beautiful.
And we feel the moment they associate with the environment, they fall in love with the environment. And when you fall in love with something, you take care of it. So we are planting a seed to our young children to love the environment and to learn how to conserve it so that it can also protect them and take care of them in future. So we believe we are doing the right thing
So baada ya kupata mafunzo wamepiga picha, sasa hivi wamejua umuhimu wa miti, umuhimu wa wanyama, na hizo picha ambazo wamepiga itawezesha kuonyesha wengine ambao hawakukuja na wazazi wao ili waonyeshe umuhimu wa mazingira.
What I like in the environment is butterfly because of the colors and how it flies.
If you could stop deforestation, it would be perfect because everyone needs oxygen to breathe. If we don't have oxygen, we can't breathe. And what I like most about trees, it's about the shade, and also it gives us protection.
Na tugithina mbere ni ati Minister wa Wonjoria na Iganda Wycliffe Oparanya ni akirutite mukana mururu kuri turia nime kumana na kwagagia arimi a kahua akiaria ari kuria mwena wa Suna. Oparanya ni akiuritie arimi aya a kahua kwendagia kahua kao mabururi-ini maria turiganitie. Ningi akiugite kahua ni kagirite kuona karagurwo akiwe mwe ciringi 110 gacunga muhera ya shilingi 160.
Mpande kahawa mupeleke inji jirani, hamutapata pesa ile mnaweza kupata hapa Kenya. Kama hauna pesa na una kahawa, serikali imeleta ile cherry fund ambao utaenda uapply ukiwa na kahawa yako, watakupa pesa. Saa ile unauza kahawa yako, hiyo pesa italipwa. So hakuna haja wewe kupeleka kahawa yako hapa nchi jirani, kwa sababu watakulipa pesa chache, na ukiuza kahawa yako hapa utapata pesa. Mimi nataka nimhakikishie saa hii, kwa sababu bei ya kahawa mwaka huu imekuwa mzuri sana. Serikali iko mbele yenu kusaidia nyinyi kufanya mambo ya biashara, na uwezi kuamuka asubuhi kwenda kwa duka na kusema unataka ufanye biashara vile mwenzako katika duka anafanya biashara. Ndio kwa sababu serikali imekuja na mipango maalum ya kuonyesha wewe vile kufanya biashara. Kwa Kiingereza kusema ya kwamba tunataka wewe uwe entrepreneur.
Nake mwandiki mukaru Steven Isaboke ni orete andu ethĩ gwikirira harĩ taranda ciao makiria gwoka ni mathako, akiuga taranda ni irarihana no macirire. Akire hindi ya kuruguria mathako ma entire tournament ma mwaka uyu thukuru-ini wa Masakwe Kitutu Chache guku ni kaunti ya Githii. Isaboke augite thirikari ni ikirire makiria mathako niguo na andu ethĩ mamenye iheo ciao na macikurie.
A sporting country, the Kisi nation has produced among the best sports, sort of winners globally. Since Nyandika Mayora, even Henry Montego in soccer. As a matter of fact, even Origi was playing in Atiterio before he actually went international. All those are our products. So we are a great sporting nation. Helen Obiri, the world beat as well, comes from the military. So we actually are among the most talented athletes or sports people in the country. So for me, the tournament actually is actualizing a talent that we always realize, because sport is so important. Sport is actually both entertainment and also business. If you look at some of the major world economies, UK, Germany, Brazil, Spain, Portugal, the actual sport side is as big as any other major economic activity. So for me, it's really to come back and ensure that some of our people can excel in this area. In terms of sporting investment, you know that His Excellency the President launched Kisi Stadium that's actually being reconstructed. He put $1 billion shillings into Kisi Stadium to actually ensure that our sports people in this part of the world have the best facilities like any other in the country and in the world. That will actually ensure that our people can play soccer, like what is happening today, can do athletics, can do any other sport, and actually get the very best facilities for it. And then countrywide, as you know, His Excellency the President has actually gone into a huge drive for construction of stadiums, right from Raila Odinga Stadium, Nomape, to Raila Odinga International Sports Center at Talanta, to Wachia, to Kitui, Thukwe, to Kipchoge Keino in Eldoret. Name it, across the country. There are over 30 construction sites for stadiums across the country. Which sports is actually entertainment. Our pillar, which is actually one of the focus areas of the president, is digital superhighway and creative economy. And creative economy is actually about content. And sports content is actually one of the contents. Sports content is one of the main contents. As you know, people follow Premier League or Kenya Premier League or any of these things, which is entertainment. So for me, coming into a game like this is actually part of the fulfillment of content.
Nĩ ngatho hau nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma ithaa rĩrĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya nĩ ũnyitanĩri waku na arĩa matigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ maũkĩa na njĩra igwete. Njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru, nake mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Wambui wa Gaku. Gĩa na mĩaraho wĩhirwo nĩ ndathimi cia Ngai. Thiĩ na mbere na gũcagũra Kiheo TV.